Okay, hello.
Hello.
Please introduce yourself.
I am Ekapong Chai. I am in third year in interior design. Yes.
And which class are you studying now?
I'm 23.
And what do you think about the collaboration between TCDC, LAFO, and Material Connection?
It's really useful to me, to us, in terms of designer, because we have to have connections. We have to know about what is going on the materials world. Yes.
How does this collaboration support your project?
It really supports me because I need to have materials. Sometimes I have to ask them for the example of the materials, so they are quite nice that give us the example.
What did you learn from this experience?
Well, this is being very good to me to join this, because in terms of us in the real life, when we go out to work, we need to know the connection, either for the friends or the other designer. So I just wonder that how nice if we know the connection of the materials.
Tell me about your project and what is your inspiration?
If I talk about my project, actually the first time when I do the sketch or when I think about the design, I think about something that geometric and with the forms that modern. But when I start thinking about that and I start sketching, I found that it's not me anymore. So I just do or represent as much as possible as my style. So my signature is I like Thai contemporary. So my inspiration is what everything that's surrounding me. I mean the old temple and whatever Thai, like Thai silk, the outline of the temple, something like that, because I think they are uniqueness and very beautiful.
Do you have a problem, and how do you solve the problem?
Yes, of course, I face many problems at the moment. Sometimes when we design something, we have to concern about it. Is it work in the real life, or is it possible to make? Because if we think about much in fancy furniture piece, it is very hard to do and it costs a lot. So I have to think of something that's very simple but easy to make and still uniqueness be myself.
Next, please explain about your design process.
Right now, I have a lot of sketches, but it's not the final one yet. But I know exactly what I want now, the materials, what I use. Yeah, but I'm just to have to do more some on sketch for find the final one, the best one.
What are the materials that you use?
Actually, I have three main materials that I want to use is metal sheet and wood and the latter of maybe silk.
The last one, what do you expect the people to get from your project?
Well, I didn't expect anything much. I just